The Covaxin trials have just started, and the data from the Pfizer trials for children above the age of 2 should take a few months. So I guess in 3 or 4 months, we should have enough data on phase 3 trials. And once we have that data, and once the vaccines are found to be effective in this age group, then of course the companies would have to apply for emergency use authorization for children, and I guess the process would then be fast tracked. So it's a few months away. If we look at the NCDC data, and if we look at data till early June, we've seen that roughly about 11.7% of all individuals who've had COVID-19 have been less than age 20. So it's not that in the second wave we saw more kids compared to the first wave. We saw kids even in the first wave, but there's a big difference. And the difference is that in the first wave, when it peaked on 16th September, we had something like 97,000 cases. And when the second wave peaked, which was in May, on 9th of May, we had more than 400,000 patients per day. So when you have nearly 4 times the number of patients, it stands to logic that the number of children that we will see will also be more. And that is exactly what the case was. But the good news is that children don't really develop significant symptoms. They develop just some fever, cold, fatigue, not feeding well. Some of them will develop diarrhea, which we saw more in the second wave, and then they get better very quickly. A very small proportion of them will develop MIS-C or multi-inflammatory syndrome in children, less than 1%. This was first described in the Caucasian population last year and has been reported from India, from different parts of India. But the good news is, one, that it's less than 1% of all children who are diagnosed. And second, there is a specific therapy that is available for children who've got this entity. And I think some of the worries, concerns that parents have had about MIS-C now need to be laid to rest. We know how to diagnose this condition. We know how to manage this. So please don't worry about it.